In the quiet of the night, I think of you. Through the highs and lows, it's always true. Your smile lights up my darkest days, and every little moment my heart stays amazed. I love you, oh I love you. Through the storms and the sunshine, we'll pull through. Hand in hand, together we'll stand. In this world, there's nothing we can't command. We've had our struggles and we've seen the rain, but your love's the cure to every pain. Through the dreams and the fears, you're always there, building our future with the love we share. I love you, oh I love you. Through the storms and the sunshine, we'll pull through. Hand in hand, together we'll stand. In this world, there's nothing we can't command. We started with nothing but a hopeful heart. Now we're here, building a brand new start. With every step, our love grows strong, and together we'll sing our lifelong song. I love you, oh I love you. Through the storms and the sunshine, we'll pull through. Hand in hand, together we'll stand. In this world, there's nothing we can't command. So here's to us, my love so true. Forever and always, I'll cherish you. In every breath, in every way, I love you more and more